So I'm gonna see what I got in today from my friend John Miller from Maryland. I'm hoping it's something interesting. Two female harlequin quail on this side. I'm guessing another female and a male harlequin on that side. About the size of a button quail, but their egg's quite a bit bigger than a button quail. And now I'm gonna go set them up in a little holding pen so I can keep an eye on them for a couple weeks, see how they're doing before I split them off into pairs or trios with some of the males that I already have. So thank you, John, for the harlequin quail. I hope to get a whole bunch of babies really soon. These harlequins probably will start laying any day, I'm guessing. Maybe, John, you could comment below and let me know how old these ones are. So me and John met online. No, I'm just kidding. I think I have more text messages back and forth with John than I do with my wife. I'm just trying to see who bought birds from who first, or how this relationship began. All right. So I finally found way back. I'm in Maryland. That's what he says. I said, anyway, I'm in California. That was March 19th, 2022. So then fast forward. This is just a little bit of our conversations. 100% about birds. Pretty ridiculous. It just keeps going and going and going. And we'll see where it ends up. And John, if you're watching this, do you still have some swamp hens?